Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Genpact Limited, and what you have in front of you is the monthly chart for that particular stock. And although the stock is strong and it's been trending on the upper end of the range, or it is an uptrending chart, but uptrending chart do have some corrections, and probably that is the thing what you can look in the current price action of Genpact. So we are going to discuss about all these things, but before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the all notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now let me simply tell you about the trend. Okay, so here you have the trend. Okay, here you have a trend. So this was your previous trend. Now as the breakout happens, okay, now as you can see, the angle of this trend has already changed, and it looks something like this, and it is very much clear. You can get a sense of the trend and how it is moving in the long as well as in the short term. Now if you look at the current trend, okay, what you can see here is $28 on the upside. Your first support levels, or your support level will come at $28, and if it falls below $28, then you have 25 and simultaneously $20. Now the important thing to understand here is this level $28, because if it breaks $28, obviously it will come down to 25, but it will give you an indication that the current trend, which is this, has already been broken after $28. So that's why the 28 level of 28 is very important, and if it breaks, then the next will be 25. But if 25 also breaks, then it will come down to 20, because 20 is your previous trend or the old trend. So that's why what you need to look at is this level $28. So obviously this is a monthly chart. This will take time. The stock will definitely take time to correct, because we are not looking at a short term chart, we are looking at a long term chart. So it will take time, and it does not mean that it has to come to $28. It will come in between also. Here you can find some levels. So before 28, we also have a support level at $34. Okay, then we have this level at 28. So $34 will also act as a support. If it holds, then obviously it will go back up again. If it doesn't, then it will go back to 28 on the lower end of the range, which is the most important support level for this trend to sustain. And if this trend level breaks, then we have 25 and 20 on the lower side. On the higher end of the range, for the time being, what we have is a target which will be in between $46 and $57. Okay, so this range will be the target. Now understand that the current trend, although the overall trend is up, but the current trend is a corrective trend. So you better look at this trend before jumping into it, and you think that okay, this stock is strong and the trend is upward, so why shouldn't I purchase this stock? You can, but looking at this current price action, you better take a look and find a better support level to have a good risk reward ratio. And on the upside, we have a target which will be in between 46 and 57, and this will definitely works as a resistance level. That's why do not think beyond this level for the time being. So there are 2 or 3 things to understand. First, that the current price action is a corrective action. The price is in a corrective phase, so wait for the price to settle, and then you ask about the trend to yourself and find a good risk reward. I have already explained you the support level, so Whether you are feeling comfortable at 34 or 28, that is up to you. Okay, on the upside you have your target at or in between 46 and 57, which will be the final target for the time being. And now one more thing to understand here is, if the stock moves like this, okay, make a skyrocket kind of shot and it will move across the trend or beyond the trend in a straight manner. So that's what we are not considering for the time being. If it happens, there are two conditions for that. If it happens that the stock makes a breakout above this line, and second, if it will sustain above this level, then obviously what we are going to see is a change in a trend or a start of a new trend, which we will discuss after it happens, and most importantly if the trend sustains after the breakout. So till then, this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.